President Drupadi Murmu will be on a 2-day visit to Ladakh beginning today. The President will grace the 5th Ladakh Union Territory Foundation Day celebrations. Prime Minister Narendra Modi participated in the National Unity Day celebrations at Statue of Unity in Ekta Nagar, Gujarat this morning. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will participate in the program marking the culmination of the Mere Mati Mere Desh campaign Amrit Kalash Yatra at Kartavya Path today. The Enforcement Directorate has summoned Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal for questioning in the excise policy linked money laundering case on Thursday. In Chhattisgarh, the first phase of assembly elections is just a week away. The voter helpline app provided by the Election Commission of India is proving to be a valuable resource for voters, offering information about their polling stations and other election-related details.